All right, so becoming better involves intentional actions and a commitment to self-improvement, okay? Here's some practical steps to guide you. Number 1, set specific goals. Identify what better means for you. Set clear, achievable goals in different areas of your life. Number 2, embrace self-reflection. Regularly evaluate your thoughts and your actions. Consider journaling to track your process and insights. Number 3, seek knowledge. Read books. The Bible's the only one you need. I promise you that. Take courses or attend workshops to learn new skills and perspectives. Number 4, practice mindfulness. Engage in mindfulness or meditation. Prayer is number 1. To enhance self-awareness and reduce stress. Talk to God. Number 5, develop healthy habits. Prioritizing exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep to support your physical and mental health. Out of those 3, I gotta work on sleep. Number 6, surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with supportive, inspiring people who encourage your growth. Number 7, take responsibility. Acknowledge your mistakes. Learn from them, rather than blaming others or external circumstances. I like to blame myself for all the good and all the bad in my life. Number 8, seek feedback. Ask trusted friends or mentors for constructive criticism and be open to their advice. And if you don't have anybody, Jesus Christ is always there. I ain't kidding. Number 9, practice gratitude. Regularly reflect on what you're thankful for. Count your blessings consistently, okay? Number 10, stay consistent. Commit to small daily actions that align with your goals. Consistency leads to lasting change. I love saying that, just for me too. Number nothing else. Remember, the important thing to remember is that you got to celebrate your process, celebrate small wins, and leave it all in the hands of God in Jesus' name, okay?